Hello students, how are you? I think you are fine and well and doing your job properly. So today we will start what we will start previous year question paper. Question related to previous year PYQ you can say. So many time told you. What told you many time? So these are very important. If you can solve previous 5-year, 6-year question paper, then easily able to take marks more than 80. Understood? So we can start with question number 1, which is given came in the year which year? 2018. In the exam of CBSE board. So what's given? If x equal to 3, x equal to 3 is the one root of the quadratic equation. Which quadratic equation? Px. What's the quadratic equation? Px is equal to x square minus 2kx minus 6. This given and saying 3 is a root of it. X equal to 3 is a root of it. Or you can say x equal to 3 is a zeros of it. So P of 3 equal to 3 square minus 2k into 3 minus 6. So what's 9 minus 6k minus 6 equal to 0. If 3 is a zeros of it, so this is coming equal to 0. So how much 3 minus 6k equal to 0. So minus 6k is equal to minus 3 minus cancel minus k equal to 3 by 6. How much? 1 by 2. So what's the value of k? K is equal to 1 by 2. Got it? Is there any other method by which you can solve? No. So you have to apply this. Then find the zeros. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Which polynomial? Biquadratic. Its highest degree is 4. Sometime coming this type of question. If the two of its zeros are these, So what we can say? X minus 2 minus and root 3 and x minus 2 plus and root 3 is a polynomial which divide this completely. So we can solve x taken common, so x minus 2 plus and root 3. Then what's minus 2 taken common? X minus 2 plus and root 3. And then what's minus and root 3? X minus 2 plus root 3. This gone. So how can we solve? This become x square minus 2x plus and root 3x minus 2x plus 4 minus 2 and root 3 minus x and root 3 or and root 3x plus 2 root 3 minus 3. Calculation of it. Understood? So x square, this we have taken, this cancel this, yes or no? Minus 2x, 2x minus 4x, this cancel this, so 4 minus 3 is minus 1, is a polynomial which divide this completely. Which one? This one. So we can write 2x power 4 minus 9 x3 plus 5 x square plus 3x minus 1. This divide by what? X square minus 4x minus 1. I can multiply this with what? So it's become this. So it is 2x square You can multiply this with 2x square, so it's become 2x power 4. 2x power 4 minus 8x cube minus 2x square. This like this, minus plus plus. Division you know. So this cancel out. So how much? Minus x cube plus 7x square. What's coming? Plus 3x. I can multiply this with what? So it's become this. So minus x. So minus x cube minus 4x square and plus x. Plus minus cancel out. 11x square plus 2x. 11x plus 2x this check one time. What is this? X square minus 4x. So 11x square plus 2x. 2x and then what's coming? This taken that side. So minus 1. So what's it's become? Remainder coming here. So it's meaning some mistake in it. So again we will try to solve it. Check one time. So what's given this? So it may be possible problem in our calculation. It's meaning calculation problem is there. So what is this? Check one time. So again we can calculate, saying 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. So just I want to check its statement. Statement is right or wrong. So that's given in your book. So this is given in this way. That's right, given 2 minus and root 3, 2 plus and root 3 given. So we have taken minus 2 plus 3. So again we can write this. So what's it's become? X square x into x minus 2 plus and root 3. Understood? And then what? Minus 2 into x minus 2 plus root 3. Then what? Minus and root 3. What's its calculation? X minus 2 plus root 3. This calculation is this. So how can you calculate its multiplication with this x square minus 2x plus and root 3x minus 2x plus 4 minus 2 root 3 minus and root 3x minus plus 2 root 3 and this what? Minus 3. Calculate it. So what we can write? This x square minus 2x minus 4x and root 3x, this cancel this. Understood? Plus 4 and this cancel this. Plus 4 minus 3, it's meaning minus 1. What's a minus 1? So it's a polynomial which divide this given polynomial. Which divide the given polynomial. Which polynomial this? 2x power 4 minus 9x power 3 plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1. This divided by what? This is divided by x square minus 4x minus 1. We can multiply this with what? So it's become 2x square. So what's it's become? 2x power 4 minus 8x power 3 minus 2x cube square, sorry. Change its sign, minus plus plus. So cancel out. 9 minus 8 minus x cube. Understood? Plus 7x square, and what's coming here? Plus 3x. I can multiply this with what? So it's become this minus x. So what's it's become? Minus x cube plus 4x square minus what? Minus plus x. So this become plus minus, so cancel out. How much? 3x square, 3x square, 4 minus 1, 3 minus 2, x, 2x. So what's it's coming? 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, and what is this? What's coming here? Minus 1. What's coming? Minus 1. So it's not coming. It's not coming. So what's problem here? 7 minus 4, 3x square minus 2x minus 1. So somewhere mistake in it. Another method we can use. Which method? This method. So if not coming, it may be possible some mistake in this question. But I can tell it's divide it completely. What's it? It's divide this completely. Which one divide completely? This one. So again we can solve from starting. So what's given? Find all the zeros of this polynomial. Which polynomial? Px. Polynomial Px. 2x power 4 minus 9x square cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. So this So what's this? And what are the zeros? Zeros are this 2 plus under root 3 and 2 minus under root 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. So x minus 2 minus under root 3 and x minus 2 plus under root 3 plus 3, completely divide this. So what I can do, you can multiply. One more method is this, you can directly multiply, otherwise you can make this we can write x minus 2 minus under root 3, and here is what? This you can write like this. This is in like this. And what is this? X minus 2 plus under root 3. In this way you can take. So what's this? You can take is equal to a, or this is you can take y minus under root 3, y plus under root 3. So x minus a, x plus a. So what? This is equal to what? This is x minus 2 whole square minus under root 3 its square. is equal to this. Yes or no? So what's its become? Check one time. So x square plus 4 minus 4x minus 3. Minus 3. So what's its become? X square minus 4x plus 1. So here is a mistake. We have taken minus 1 here, but here is plus 1. Now you can find out this. 2x power 4 minus 9x power 3 plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1. Yes or no? Divide this. X square minus 4x plus 1. We have taken that time minus 1 is taken here. Plus of 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So, but we have taken by chance minus 1. So, I can multiply this with what? So, it's become this. So, we can multiply 2x square. This completely. So, 2x power 4 minus 8 x power 3 minus 2 what? Minus y plus 2 x square. Calculate it. Minus plus minus. This cancel out how much? Minus x cube. How much? Minus 3x square. And what's coming here? Plus 3x. Plus 3x square. So 5 plus 2, this is plus. Understood? So what's coming? Now I can multiply this with what? So it's coming minus. So minus x. So what's it's become? Minus x cube plus 4x square plus, minus x. Right or wrong? Otherwise you can write like this: x square minus 4x plus 1 and its multiplication with minus x. So its multiplication minus x cube plus 4x square minus x. So again change its sign. Plus become minus plus. This cancel out. This cancel out how much? Minus x square. 3x square plus 4x square minus. So here how much? Plus 4x and what is this? Minus 1. I can multiply this with what? So it's I can multiply this with what? So it's become this minus 1. If you can multiply this minus x square plus 4x minus 1. Change its sign. So it's what's coming? 0. So here coming, here we have taken both time minus 1, but here is plus 1. So what's left? So this left. 2x square minus x minus 1, this put equal to 0. So how can you solve? So this is 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Satisfying condition. Step number 1. What's the sum of these two? Equal to this. What's the product? 2x minus 2x square. It's meaning right. So what's common? 2 taken common. X minus 1. X minus 1 plus 1 taken common. X minus 1 equal to 0. So what is this? X minus 1 taken common, and this is 2. What is this? 2 into 2. X is this coming here. 2x plus 1. Understood? When you put this equal to 0, x equal to 1, and this is 2x is equal to minus 1, and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So remaining 2 zeros are what? Remaining 2 zeros are what? One is 1, and what's the second one? Minus 1 by 2. So possibility of this type of question coming in your exam, but calculation probability of mistake is also more. I have taken 2 times, I can multiply, but always taking here coming minus 1, but that one is the plus 1. So it's coming the difference. Understood? Next. Find the value of k such that the polynomial, which polynomial? This polynomial, p of x. How much? X square into k plus 6 into x plus 2 into k minus 1. 2 into 2k minus 1 has sum of the zeros equal to their product. So let alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. What's given polynomial? So according to this, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What's your b here? This one. Minus minus plus k plus 6 by a equal to 1. What's the product of the zeros? Is equal to c by a. What's your c? C is this 2 into 2k minus 1 by 1. And what's given? This is given alpha plus beta equal to alpha beta. What's alpha beta? So how can we solve? Alpha plus beta is what? This. So k plus 6 is equal to 2 into 2k minus 1. So k plus 6 is equal to 4k minus 2. K take in one side. So what's become? K minus 4k is equal to minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 minus 6. So how much? Minus 3k is equal to minus 8. Minus cancel. Minus k is equal to 8 by 3. So this is the answer of your that one. What's given? This you know, if we are having a standard equation like this, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a, and product of the zeros is equal to c by a. Is equal to c by a. I think you got it. Next. So same like that, if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, this polynomial is what? 2. Then the value of k, you have to find out the value of k. So what's polynomial given? Px is this given. X square plus 3x plus k. And 2 is the zeros of it, so we can put it. 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus k. And this is what? 4 plus 6 plus k is what? 0. So 10 plus k is equal to 0. So k equal to minus 10. Anywhere given? This given. Easy one. And this type of question, there is a probability. Which type? This one. This one. It's given a biquadratic polynomial given to you. 2 roots given, remaining 2 you can find out. And possibility of this type of question also where under root given, because here probability of mistake is more as compared to other. This I told you. Next you can take the quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose 0 is 5. Sum of the zeros is minus 5 and product of the zeros is 6. This you know. This is the formula x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So what's x square? What's the sum of the zeros? Minus 5. Minus 5 into x plus product of the zeros is what? 6. So it's become what's become a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. So x square minus 5x plus 6. That's your answer. It may be possible after this saying find out its zeros. So zeros also you can find out by using the method what's splitting the middle term. How can this x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So what's taken common? X plus 3 plus 2, x plus 3 equal to 0. So what's common? X plus 3 and x plus 2. And this is equal to 0. So what's are the value of x? Minus 2 and minus 3. So what are its zeros? 3 and minus 2 and minus 3. What's their sum? Minus 5. What's their product? 6. It's meaning your question is right. Again, same kind of question repeating in another way. The number of polynomial having 0. Having the 0, minus 1 and 2. How many type of polynomials? It's in counting how many polynomials whose zeros are these. So you can check one time. So x minus plus 1 into x minus 2. So x taken common, x minus 2 plus 1, x minus 2. So what is this? Square minus 2x plus x minus 2. So what's x square minus x minus 2? So this is a polynomial px whose zeros are minus 1 and 2. How many exist? So look, I can multiply this 2x square minus 4, 3x square minus 3x minus 6, 4x minus 4x minus 8. So in this way, how many? Infinite. So how many exist? Infinite number of polynomial exists whose zeros are minus 1 and 2. So this given question is this: in a pool at an aquarium, a dolphin jumps out from the water traveling at 20 centimeters per second. So jumping like this and traveling how much? 20 centimeters in second. Its height above the water level after t second is given by, so this equation given, h equal to 20t minus 16t square. This given. This is the dolphin showing here. So jumping, this is the water. So its speed of jumping is what? 20 centimeters per second. 20 centimeters per second. So what I have to tell? Based on the above, answer the following question. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Which polynomial? This polynomial. P of t, it's meaning t is its variable, 20t minus 16t square. So what's common? So this we can write like this. So what's common? T is common, minus 16t plus 30. So what's t equal to 0 or minus 16t equal to minus 20, and t equal to, cancel this, so 20 by 16, 5 by 4. So these are two its zeros. What's zeros? What would be the value of h at t equal to 3 by 2? T equal to this second part, sorry. First this, second is this. Which type of following graphs represent PT? So which represent PT? PT. So this graph. So it's meaning touching the x-axis where? At origin. At origin, this here. And after this, jumping and again coming here. This jumping and again coming here. So what's the value of this point? This is 5 by 4. Understood? So where in it? So this graph not possible. Negative jumping in a positive part, upward. So this not possible. This also not possible. This or this possible. Here starting point is 0, and if this point, this is more than that. So either this or this. Here value is this 5 by 4 and 0, and if here 5 by 4 and 0, that one is the answer of it. So clearly not looking. So I told you this is first is t equal to 0 and t then what? 5 by 4. So here this graph showing this, but this not possible in negative parts not going. Jumping upward, so this, I think you understand. What would be the value of t? 3 by 2 interpret the result. Pt how much given? Is equal to 20 t minus 16 t square. 16 t square. What would be the value of h? Height. So put this value. Put this value. So what we have to find out? H equal to this. And what is this? This is equal to h equal to 20t minus 16t square. So put value. How much? T equal to 3 by 20 into 3 by 2 minus 16 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 9 by 4. So how much coming? 60, 60 divided by 2, how much? 30 minus 4, 4 is how much? 36. So how much? 30 minus 36. So how much? Minus 6 is the value of, minus 6 is the what? Height of it. Its meaning, so these graph also possible. Its meaning is this. So directly we cannot say this graph not possible. This not possible. Which one not possible? This one. Because not touching the x-axis at 0. Only one time touching the x-axis. This touching 2 times x-axis. So h value negative, its meaning. So answer is this. Understood? How much distance has the Doppler covered before hitting the water level again? How much distance covered by the or written? So its distance covered by this is how much? 6 meter or centimeter given than centimeter before touching the water. Got it? So these question we have taken, again I can repeat this. So this question is like this. In a pool at a aquarium, dolphin jump out from the water traveling a distance 20 centimeter per second. Its height above the water level after t seconds is given this. So its height above the water level is this. Its meaning is what? Its meaning is this. If t equal to 0, its meaning this 20 into 0, 0 become t equal to 1. So h how much become? 20 minus 16 how much? 4. For what? Centimeter. T equal to 1. Understood? If h equal to 2, t equal to 2, so it's become 20 into 2 into 16 into 2 to the 4. So coming negative. Got? I think you understood all this. I told you previous year question paper related to this. So related to this chapter we told each and everything. Previous year question paper also we have taken multiple choice, we have taken case study, multiple choice we have taken, region based also we have taken, and at last what we have taken? Previous year questions. So I think you understood what you have to do in it. Roughly idea I can tell you. Roughly idea meaning like this. So here, this I can tell. So here is what? We are having a quadratic. What's a quadratic polynomial? What's a quadratic polynomial? So what type of quadratic polynomial? If highest degree of a polynomial is 2, highest power of the variable is 2, sorry. Or in other words, we can say degree of a polynomial is 2, then saying quadratic polynomial. So like this px. Standard form I can write ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real number. What's number? Real number. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Then coming, it's Sum of the zeros, let alpha and beta it's 0, so minus b by e. Product of the zeros is equal to c by e. Understood? Use of it. Then some parts like this also given. We are given what's given? Cubic polynomial. ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This type of polynomial given. And we know this. If the degree of polynomial is 2, quadratic polynomial is 2, then maximum 2 zeros exist. Understood? Not more than 2. So it's a cubic polynomial. So it's how much zeros exist? At most 3. So this is a standard form of equation. So 3 roots are this 3 zeros, alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to c by a. And product of the zeros is equal to d by a, minus d by a. If you know these things, easily you can solve these questions. So in our syllabus, its possibility not more than 2%. So sometime it may be possible cubic equation given, and then we have to find out question related to this. This chapter name is quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. So question coming here. Here sometime it may be possible question given from that biquadratic. Biquadratic meaning highest degree 4. Then it's 2 roots given, remaining 2 you can find out. Remaining 2 you can find out by using what? Splitting the middle term. So I told you all about this. So this is a roughly idea about this chapter. Understood? And this equation, polynomial definition you know. Before polynomial, you know what is variable, what is constant, and what is algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? Where constant and variable are connected by the 4 basic operation of mathematics. So that one is what? Algebraic expression. Variable whose value not remain same, change according to the situation. Constant whose value remain as it is. Coefficient in front of what? In front of variable, there is a constant quantity, that one is known as coefficient of that variable. Coefficient of that variable. Understood? We have written 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So it's meaning 2 is the coefficient of x square, 3 is the coefficient of x. Like this. 1 is constant quantity, x is a variable. We have written p of x. It's meaning we are having a polynomial whose variable is x. Degree I told you, highest power of the variable is known as the degree of that polynomials. But in your syllabus, quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial having degree how much? Highest power of the variable is 1. That one is a linear polynomial. And graph of a linear polynomial is a straight line. Graph of a quadratic polynomial is a parabola. Understood? And graph of a cubic polynomial is like this. So this is mainly we have to discuss about this quadratic polynomial, but I told you each and everything. So I think you understood. Next time we will take next chapter, chapter number 3, whose multiple choice and question related to previous year left. So we will complete that, and then we can again start our chapter which is left. Which one left? Sorry. So thank you all of you. Best of luck.